Okay, coming to our last class, end-to-end execution of your discrete manufacturing process without planning. Have you done or any errors while executing it? Any doubts?
Yes,
One,
sir. One doubt
one,
is there.
one by one. Yes, Sushant, please tell me.
Uh, you please tell me once again if stock materials is not available, like in yours motherboard was there, correct?
Yeah, yeah.
So how to add? Can you just tell once again? So with another stock, then I have created, but it is showing the it is showing error.
Okay,
So
okay.
once if you will record and if you will show now, then it will be easy. Then I can proceed to it.
Good. You are asking me how to add the stock for new materials, for raw
Correct,
materials mainly,
correct.
for lower level materials. Perfect. So next,
Hello, sir.
yes, sir. Chakradhar, sir.
Sir, just I was stuck near this production order. The order number will come.
Okay.
Percentage, some number will come.
Order number. Okay.
Yeah, how to convert that into a particular number? You told me one procedure, but I could not remember that when I was
Sir,
doing
just to save that order, sir. After saving the order, a number will be assigned to your respective order, like for whatever you have created with respect to the quantity and the dates.
it.
For
Okay.
that, an order will be created, sir. You can see that order in your MD04 as well. At the same time, if you go through the change mode, CO02 also, you can see your production order, sir.
Okay. Okay, I'll try, sir.
Yeah. Next,
Here,
guys.
sir, 1 minute, sir, but the CO02 have gone.
Sir,
I want-
like I'm
Focus.
stopping the screen sharing from my end,
Okay,
and I'm making you as a host for this.
okay.
So please share your screen, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Guys, don't think that like we are wasting the time. So you are learning the new things like how to resolve the issues and how to analyze it. So Chakradhar sir is facing like he created the order, but he don't know from where to catch that one. So in case if you have forgot your suppose it is one order, no problem. If you have created more than one production order, and how to get all the production orders in a one view, so that I am showing here, sir. Like you have created the order, but
Yes, sir.
here it is not showing, sir. Go
Yes.
to / and MD04, sir. / and MD04 stock requirement list. So is
Oh,
this your material?
yes, sir.
Press enter. So these are the production orders which you have created.
Yeah, many times, multiple times I've created that.
No problem, sir. No problem. So here you can see the list of production orders, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In case you know only the order type or you know only the plant, and if you want to see the different production orders, means we have one more transaction code, sir.
Okay.
Just I am pinging in the chat. You can note it down. COOIS, production order information system, sir. Chakradhar sir, please
Sir.
execute the transaction code.
CO
COO.
/N.
Yes, sir. Why? Because whether you want to keep this session active or you want to close this screen, MD04,
Keep
depends
it,
on
sir.
depends on your requirements, sir. If you want to keep it session active, / you can use. And the COOIS, sir. COOIS, production order information system. COOIS. Press enter. So here, sir, if you see, this is the production order information system.
Okay.
From this report, you can get so many details. But right now, discussing about all those details is like in advance, which will make confuse. So right now, I'll tell, give your material, sir. Just your material, or else plant. Not there, sir. Here at the bottom of the screen, you have production order material. No, no, sir. No need of going that much bottom.
Okay,
Go
sir.
up, sir.
Right
Up.
here, sir.
No,
Okay.
no, no. Up only, sir. Up only. Up.
Okay.
Up only. Completely up.
Okay.
Here, sir. Selection at the header level. Production order is there. Material is there. Production plant is there. So give the plant. Just a plant. And give your material in case if you have remembered the material. Even without giving the
Material.
material also, it will bring all the details.
Okay. Material means the raw material or the
Sir, production order always will be for finished material,
finished
sir.
good only. Okay.
Maintain that clarity. You are going to
Okay.
create the production order only for the materials or products which we are
Yes.
producing within our company premises.
Yes.
Now execute, sir. Execute your report. This is report, sir. It is not going to update any data in the backend,
Okay.
and it is not going to create any new data, sir. It will bring the data which you have created, sir.
Okay.
See, system is showing your 3 production orders which you have created, and coming to the system status, sir. Here you can see the released status, pre-costed means still you have not yet confirmed, you have not yet delivered it.
Yes.
Correct.
Oh, yes,
So
yes.
here you can see the extra information in CO by S.
Okay.
You can see the status of your production order and everything, sir. Clear?
Oh, right, sir. Right.
Perfect. So guys, next, Deepak Reddy, Mittapalli. Sir, Chakradhar sir, your doubts cleared? Is there
Yeah,
anything?
but then how to proceed for now if I want to release it?
Sir, go to CO02, sir. Take your specific production order which you want to copy.
Okay.
Forward slash and CO02. You want to copy means keep your cursor on the field, sir. Like which production order? Yes, cursor there. No. Don't select the line item, sir. Only on that field. Control C. Control C, sir. Huh.
Okay.
Now forward slash and CO02, sir. CO02. Press enter. Paste your order. Control V. Press enter, sir. Sir, your order already released, sir.
Okay. Released. Okay.
Like in our whether you have done the goods issue or not, we need to validate it. So
Okay.
from the status, GMP is not yet posted, sir. Goods movement not yet posted.
Okay.
So you have to do the goods issue, sir.
Okay.
So you have to do the goods issue. How we need to do the goods issue? Through the Migo transaction code,
Go. Yeah.
and the movement type is 261. In your recorded video is there, sir. Class
Okay.
3.
Right, sir.
Yeah. Go through it and do execute one cycle, sir. Goods issue, sir, not receipt. From the drop down list, sir, from the drop down list, select goods issue.
Okay, sir.
Order, paste your order there, sir. Control V again. Press enter. Okay, at the bottom of the screen, whatever the components you have in your like in order to make your header material, that components you can see, sir, here. So screen 2 is the most component, and the quantity you can see there, sir, 100. And where means what is the movement type? Plant is there. You need to enter the storage location as well, sir. 0001. So if you are not going to enter, system won't allow you to post it. So now click on item OK. At the bottom of the screen, item OK is there. Item OK. Checkbox.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
Press enter and click on check for any error messages. Click on check for any error messages. Or if there are any error messages, system will show you. So right now you don't have any errors. So you are issuing required screens to your shop floor guy. He will start making of your main mobile by using this component.
Right.
Click on post, sir. Post. Then a document will get posted. Like it is a proof, sir, that you have given this much stock against this production order.
Okay.
So this is the proof, sir. Now if you go back to your production order, goods movement already posted, sir.
Yes.
So GMPS status will be there for your production order. Open display of your production order, sir. Display of your production order.
CO03, sir.
Exactly. CO03. Press enter. For that order only have done, sir. Press enter. See, GMPS status is there. Previously it is not there in the status.
This should come.
Yes,
right?
once you've done the goods issue, it has to get there. And one more thing, if you click on component overview, F6, sir. F6. So if you drag your screen towards right, quantity withdrawn will be updated, sir. See, quantity withdrawn updated. Guys,
Yes,
a question. Why my committed quantity is showing as 0 in Chakradhar sir screen? Committed quantity. So what step he has missed here to in updating the committed quantity? Sir, you too can answer, sir, if you know
Yeah,
the
Goods issue.
goods issue done. Once you do
Done.
the goods issue,
Confirmation.
no. If you do the confirmation, only operations confirmation and the header level confirmation will be carried out. Specifically,
component over.
committed quantity is showing as 0.
Zero.
Why?
Yes.
Why, sir?
Till now, we can't receive the material to store on sir. Production, sir.
No.
It's released and everything we have done.
No, sir. In your class 3, I have mentioned very clearly, sir, when the committed quantity is going to get update, when it is not going to get update, when your quantity withdrawn is going to get update, when it is not going to update. I have mentioned very clearly, sir. Your committed quantity is going to update when you are going to do the material availability check. Then your committed quantity is going to update. If you want means, sir, Chakradhar sir,
Yes, sir.
go to your MD04 already have opened. No, sir, already have opened, sir. MD04 stock requirement list screen. Yes, first screen. Yes, sir. Click on that. Click on second element details, sir. Click on second line item. No. Second line item details. Element details. Yes, below one, sir. Below one. Second line. Element details. Exactly. Click on that. Uh, click on the pencil symbol, sir. Change. Click on the pencil symbol. Change. So right now, SAR has been released his order, and if you see the status, material available committed is not updated. Sir, click on the I, sir. Information I against that line only. I. Yes, sir. Correct. So here, material availability checked, not yet performed. Correct. Just he has released it. So go back, sir. Now go back. I will show now. Click on the component overview. F6. Functional key F6, sir. So if you drag your screen towards right again, still my committed quantity is 0, sir.
Yes, sir.
Still my committed quantity is 0 and the quantity withdrawn is also 0. Why? Because you have not yet, stop it, sir. Stop it there. So yes, sir. Stop here. Stop here. So you have not done the goods issue. So your quantity withdrawn not yet updated. With respect to the previous order, you have done the goods issue. So your quantity withdrawn quantity has been updated. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Here issue has not been done. Okay.
Yes, so that's why it is showing as 0.
Okay.
Now coming to the committed quantity, sir, our main problem. Coming to the committed quantity, when this committed quantity is going to be updated means, guys, please remember, if you are going to do the material availability check, then your committed quantity is going to get updated. Click on the material availability check, sir. Material is there now before capacity. Yes, sir. Material availability check. Click on it. No problem. Click on missing parts list. System is telling that there is no stock for your components. Just click on back, sir. So it is telling that no stock.
Okay. Come back, sir.
Come back, sir. One step. So you don't have the sufficient stock. So system is not showing any quantity, sir. Can you open the stock for the screen too, sir? Forward like MMB. Yes. For screen 2, show me the stock. Execute. $100 is there. Okay. Sir, what is the... Okay, sir. Go back to your production order screen. No. Keep this session like this only. Production order change mode. Change, sir. So here update your storage location, sir. Just drag your screen towards left. Just drag your screen towards left. Sir, no, sir. Sorry. Towards this side, sir. Right side. Storage location will be there, sir. Update your storage location. So system not able to determine the components. That's press enter, sir. Okay. Now do the material availability check, sir, again. No, not in the production order only, sir. In the production order only. Yeah. Do the material availability check, sir. Okay. Now I came to know missing. Close this, sir. Can you double click on your component screen too? Double click. Select MRP3 view. Availability check is there. Okay. Back, sir. How much quantity is required, sir?
I think I gave 100, sir.
Show me the quantity, sir. Required quantity. Just drag your screen towards right only. No, sir. Left. Drag towards left. Still, sir. Still. I required 100. Sir, just increase the stock, sir, for your component. Then your committed quantity will get updated. Try after this class, ma.
Okay, sir.
Stock is less. Just add 1,000 or some other thing and try to perform the same action.
So here I have to go and add stock, sir.
You know how to add the stock, na?
Migo I have to go, no?
Yes.
Or Migo 561.
Yes. Save this one, sir.
Okay.
Even Sushant Patoli has the same error, same doubt. Sorry. So what we'll do? Forward slash and Migo, sir. Sushant, please see here.
Migo.
Migo, yes, sir.
Okay.
Or MyGo, anything, or few people will call it as MIGO. Goods receipt, sir. You are increasing the stock, so you have to select the goods receipt.
Okay.
With respect to other, yes, come down under the material tab. Perfect. Enter quantity. Add some 1,000 or 2,000 like that, sir. Keep
Okay.
sufficient stock. 561 movement type. Enter the plant and storage location, sir. Plant, in which plant you want to add this stock? We need to specify that. Under which storage location? Yeah. Now what we need to do? The next step?
Sir.
Check, correct. Click on post. No errors. Okay, now go to forward slash and CO02, sir. Shushan, this is the process to add the stock. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Press enter. Do the material availability check, sir. See, now click on the component overview. At the bottom of the screen, already all checked materials are available now for you. Drag your screen towards right side. Yes, correct. See your committed quantity updated, sir. Have you observed?
Yes, sir. Yes. 100.
When your committed quantity is getting updated, when you are performing the material availability check, and the same time stock has to be available there.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
So these are the two prerequisites. Clear?
Yes, sir. Right. Understood.
Okay. So is your doubts clear, sir? Still any doubts are there? Chakradhar sir, still you have any doubts?
No, no, sir. Till now it's okay now. I understood this. Sir.
Perfect. Sir, still like a few more steps are there. You have to do the confirmation and the goods receipt as well. 2 steps are left over.
Okay.
So do that after the class, sir.
Okay, sir. Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Deepak,
Yes, sir.
any doubts?
No, no, sir.
For everyone. I think Pranit, you don't have any doubts. If you have any doubts, please let me know. Okay. Sir, stop sharing from your end. I will start sharing from my end, sir. Okay, guys. Let me share my screen.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I am Sanjeev.
Yes, Sanjay, please tell me.
Sir, I have some doubt, sir. One doubt. What is different between 701 and 561, sir?
Five 561 is only to add the initial stock for the testing purpose.
Testing purpose.
Like if there is no stock and I want to test it without accounting documents.
Okay. This is
So
also same na sir, 701.
hmm?
701.
701 is like it will work in a different way.
Okay.
It will be like in order to do the goods receipt only against your physical inventory, like it will add some accounting documents, Sanjeev, but 561 won't add the accounting documents.
Account documents. Right, sir. Clear, sir.
Still any doubts? No?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Guys, if you see, like the first concept, I'm going to take it as a material master. So your material master will be like it's a centralized one, centralized master data. Why I'm telling it as a centralized master data means nowhere your material master is related to one particular module. It belongs to all. It belongs to all modules from your team to from transport management and from your like whatever it may be the functional modules we have. It belongs to all functional modules. So we have different views are there in order to take your material master or in order to create your material master. We have the different views are there. So what are the different views which we have means basic data 1, basic data 2, sales organization 1, sales organization data 2, sales general plan data, and then we have purchasing organization, and then purchase order text, imports and exports classification, and then you have MRP1, MRP2, MRP3. So like that we have different views are there now. So let me take it as an industry type as a mechanical and the material type, any type. Okay, let me make it as a FET. So these are the different views which we have. So each and every view is responsible for a specific module. So there is no specific condition that one consultant has to take care of this one. No. In SAP ECC, if your complete master data is taking care of one specific team, then that team is called as master data maintenance team. MDM team will call. If you don't have the MDM team, then from the user side they will take care. Or else there will be one more team in SAP S4 HANA, that is MDG team, master data governance team. They will take care of complete material master or the complete master data for each and every module. I told you that with respect of your functional module, there will be master data and the transactional data for each and every module, correct? So that complete master data will be taken care by your MDG team. Guys, 2 minutes. Okay, so here each and every view is responsible for each and every module. So just I'm taking that screenshot and I'm keeping it now for your reference purpose in your running notes. And then I have to give after your work scheduling view, you have general plan data storage one and everything. So these views also we can control, like what view I need to maintain for my client and what view no need of displaying here. That also we can cover. So that I will tell you while working on the configuration part. I will let you know. Okay. I will let you know what are the views. So coming to here, each and every view is responsible for specific model from PP, means from our manufacturing side, guys. From PP, and we are responsible for MRP1, MRP2, MRP3, MRP4, work scheduling view, and forecasting view. Okay, so we are responsible for this. Suppose if you want to know team responsible for below views, what are they? So they are responsible for purchasing, and they are responsible for foreign imports, purchase order text data as well, purchase order text. So they are responsible for this. And if you are going to ask me what about the SD, so SD team responsible for below views. So sales org, data 1, sales org data 2, sales general plan data. So like this, each and every view is responsible for certain modules. So here, as like we are going to work very closely with the team and the SD team, so I have given those views. And like most of the PP consultants will handle the QM module as well. So QM team, like mostly if there is no QM team, a PP consultant has to take care of that one. QM team responsible for quality management view. This is the only one view which we have in the material master. Okay, quality management view. So these are the different views which we have in the material master. Now coming down, guys, so coming down, like each and every material will have the functional name and the technical name. Each and every material will have the functional name and the technical name. So like coming to the names here, if you take the finished material, if you take the finished material, so this is my functional name, guys. Like anyone can understand this name. So what is the technical name is, I have the technical name as the FET. If you take the semi finished material, so whenever your business and your functional consultants, everyone will work with the functional names only. Who will work with the technical names means your technical team. So nothing but ABAPers, advanced business application programmers, will work with the technical names. So as a functional consultant, you should know what is the functional name, and similarly what is the technical name for your material. So if you see here in the, well, before going to creating the material master, for my finished product there is a functional name and the technical name. The functional name is the finished product, and the technical name is the FERT. So what is the purpose, or what is the funda of having two names for the same material type means, if you see from the program perspective, like try to understand the program structure here. If I want to write a piece of code, a small logic, if I'm going to keep finished product as the description in the code, if suppose I want to call the same finished product description for 100 times in a program to loop the data, so how many characters are there? Like some 12 to 18 characters are there in the finished product, correct? So during execution of that program or compiling of that program, it will take so much time to read each and every character, and it will impact the performance of the program to display the output, final output. So which is not a suggestible one to execute your program with the words or the letters which are having the more characteristics. mainly the words. So in order to avoid that one, standard SAP has given two names, functional name and the technical name. You may ask, sir, here material is there, MAT3, ERI3, and total 8 characters are there. So in the backend of the program, same material is going to use means no, sir. We have a name for the material as well. So that is the this is the functional name. Material is the functional name. So if you see the technical name, what is the technical name for the material? So it is not mandatory that to know each and every technical name and the sorry, in order to know the technical name for each and every field, sir, but there will be few fields where you have to know as an consultant, as an experienced consultant. Suppose if you don't know the technical name for any one functional, so this is the material functional name, I want to know the technical name. Just place your cursor in the field, press F1 in your keyboard, sir. F1, functional key, F1 in your keyboard, and here you have the technical information, spawner and the hammer. So click on this. Here if you see, you have the field name MATNR. This is the technical name for your field name. Field name MATNR. So like this, you can find out the field name for your particular functional name in the respective field. So is it clear how to get the technical name for your functional field?
What is this, sir? F, what, which function key, sir?
Place your cursor in the respective field, sir. For which
Okay.
field you want to know the technical name, place your cursor there and press F1, sir. F1, functional key, F1, sir. After pressing functional key F1, a new window will come. So click on this technical information. Field name is MATNR, the field name. Like this, you can find out field name for your each and every field for which you want to know the technical name, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Guys, is it clear for everyone? Is it clear?
Clear, clear.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts, please let me know now itself.
If after pressing F1, we have to press which one, sir? Which?
Technical key, sir. Technical information is there. This
Okay,
spawner and hammer
technical.
symbol. Click on this. Another window will come which will show you the technical information. So the field name is MATNR. Okay. So now if you see, we have the different material types are like that. So semi-finished material is half. And if you take the raw material,
Sir, one doubt, sir. Sorry
yeah,
for
please, sir.
disturbing, sir.
No, no problem, sir.
Sir, here while we are put in our my database, I'm using that FERT and everything is not coming. Only finished material like that is given. So who will
Yes, sir.
create that, sir? FERT,
No, no, sir, no, sir. A small setting you need to change. I will show you how to
okay.
change that, sir.
Right, sir.
Are we able to see these gear icons?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Click on this, sir. Click on these gear icons. Options is there.
Options, yes.
Click on the options and your screen will looks like this, sir. Visual design, interaction design, accessibility and scripting like this. Multilingual settings, local data, traces, security, front-end print, system information. Click on the interaction design, sir. Expand the interaction design. And we have the visualization one, sir. Under the visualization one, there is an option controls. Show keys within drop-down list, sort by keys within drop-down list for more effective, for more efficient keyboard inputs. If you uncheck this, and if I apply those settings, okay, and if I click OK, if I rerun my MM01 transaction code, system won't show, sir. For me also it won't show. See, my FET is not showing. So many finished products are there. How I'll come to know which is the FET? So many finished products, correct? It won't show for me as well. So in order to show your technical names along with the description of your material type descriptions, click on these gear options, nothing but your customized local layout. Click on options. Under the interaction design, go for the visualization one. Check these check boxes. Two check boxes you have to check, sir. And then apply. Okay. So I have to rerun the transaction code, sir, now. MM01. See, my technical name is showing now, FET. Clear?
Now we are getting this.
Okay, if you want means you can make the settings parallelly as well, sir. In your systems,
Yes,
you can make
sir.
it. Still any doubts? So like this, we have different material types are there, sir. Like if you see, you need to take care of the trading materials. Like sometimes, what are the trading materials we have means Hawa. Nothing but we'll call it as Hawa, sir. Trading means business materials, like where you are going to buy and sell. Only buying and selling process will be there, and no more, sir. In that, so this will be your Hawa, and we have the non-stock materials as well. Like if you see in the drop down list, we have the different non-stock materials as well, sir. So that is the NLAG. NLAG is the non-stock material. Okay, and you can take the hazardous materials as well. Like if you take the hazardous materials, we have the hazardous materials as well, sir. And you have the pipeline materials, pipe. Like if you take the PIPE, pipeline materials means materials or the products which you are receiving through the pipes, sir. Like if you take the electricity in your home, you are receiving through the wires, correct? It is one type
Yeah.
of pipe. If you take the internet, you are receiving through the wire. If you take the water supply from the GHMC board, you are receiving through the pipes. So in industries, there will be pipe materials or the services which you are receiving through the pipes. If you take the oil and gas industries, so there you can use the pipeline material types. Like if you take any dairy based product companies, like milk. So there are any beverage companies like PepsiCo, Coca-Cola, or your United Spirit Limited. So for this type of companies, they have to go with the pipeline materials. Or if you take any cement manufacturing companies, they require water, correct? So that water is going to supply from the pipe itself. Sometimes they have to purchase that water. So what is the cost of that water? Also, they have to calculate it in making the final product. So like this, we have different types of materials. So from PP perspective, it's better to know at least few materials and their material types as well. So what are the different technical names are there for your material types? That it's better to know from your answer. So try to remember this. Like if you take the non-stock materials. So what are the non-stock materials means? Like NLAG, I told you that NLAG is there. Suppose if you take the product group, so product group materials will be there. So what are the product group materials we have means PROG. So if you want means you can see here. So if you take the PROG, sorry, PRO, 1 minute. Product groups will be there. PROD. So these are the product group materials. So like this, we have different types of materials are there, sir. So try to know all those materials, and then so these are the technical names and the functional names for your materials, sir. So if you are going to ask an a PP consultant, he is responsible for the all these materials, and the same time packaging materials also will be there. So what are the packaging materials means? You can see here from your packaging materials. It will be something V something will be there, sir. VERP. See, VERP, packaging materials. So we are responsible for raw materials, semi-finished materials, and the packaging materials to pack our final products. And sometimes we'll deal with the product group materials and the non-stock materials. So these materials are enough for us to work with respect to the technical names and these names, sir. Okay. So now coming to the creation, sir. So let me give a common introduction with respect to the material master, what we are doing in our from our end. So if you ask, there will be raw material. Like mostly your raw material will be we are going to purchase it, correct? Most of the scenarios we are going to purchase the required raw materials to make the final product or your finished product, sir. So let me keep it as final or finished. Guys, right now I have a common question to all of you. If you are purchasing a raw material, is it necessary like I need to schedule create a production order for the raw material, or I need to use my machineries or components or manpower to make this final product? No.
purchase, we are purchasing raw material, no?
Yes.
I don't think it's required.
So when you are purchasing the raw material, no need of utilizing the company resources like missions or manpower which are there on the shop floor. Am I correct?
Yes.
So for this raw material, there won't be any bomb, there won't be any routing. Correct?
Yes.
Are you clear?
Yes.
Why? Because BOM is nothing but it is a structured list of components which will show the list of resources or the components which are required to make your final product. So here the raw material itself is one of the component to make for my final product. So what is the point of having the BOM? It won't make sense like by keeping the BOM for the raw material, correct? So what I want to convey here, a small note point. Try to understand, guys. Materials or products or components which we are purchasing for those work scheduling view is not required while creating the material master. While creating the material master. Guys, like if you see here, let me show you. So here I am selecting as an FET product, sir. FERT, finished product, and press enter. System is showing my work scheduling view. So work scheduling view is nothing but like how your order has to be scheduled will be determined, sir. And so many parameters are there, but for your understanding purpose, scheduling and the work, how your process order has to get scheduled, that will get determined, sir, in a simple language. Now this is a finished product, so my work scheduling view is showing very clearly. Suppose if you are taking the ROH, sir, raw material, press enter. So if you see here, where is my work scheduling view? MRP 1, 2, 3, 4, forecasting view is there. General plan data storage 1, general plan data storage 2, accounting 1. But your work scheduling view, no. So it is clear that if it is a raw material, work scheduling view is not required. Suppose let me take the semi finished, sir, HALB semi finished. So press enter, work scheduling view is there. Means your semi finished products, sometimes it may manufacture within your company premises or you are going to purchase it. Suppose if you take an example, sir, from the real time, take the Maruti Suzuki, sir. Previously, Maruti Suzuki won't generate or won't manufacture their own engines, sir. They will purchase it from the Fiat. They don't have the capacity or making of engines in their company premises. They are going to purchase it. So if you take the Fiat company, they will manufacture the engines for the Maruti Suzuki and for Tata as well previously, and they will use that engines in their products as well, in their Fiat Linea or in their Punto vehicles. They used to keep that engines in their vehicles as well. So it is a finished, semi-finished product which they are going to which they are going to make within their company premises for their products. But if you take the Maruti Suzuki or Tata, they are going to purchase it from outside. If you take the Maruti Suzuki, completely they will purchase the engines from Fiat itself. They are not going to make it. But Tata have their own R&D. But if you take the Mahindra, they are going to make their own engines. They are not going to rely on any other vendors in the market. So engine here. So for some companies, it may be like they will purchase it from outside. For few companies, they may make it in their company premises itself. So it is a semi-finished product. Why? Because straight away I can't use the gearbox, correct? I have to assemble it in the car or in the bike or in the automotive, like anywhere. Then only I can make it my fully finished product. Is it clear? So for semi-finished product, you can use the work scheduling in case if you are making that product within your company premises. In case if you are not making that product and you are purchasing from outside, then no problem. Like you can purchase it by removing your work scheduling view. You can keep only your purchasing view. Purchasing will be common in all your three types of material types, whether it is a semi-finished material or a finished material or a raw material, doesn't matter. Your sales views and your purchasing views and everything will be there. Okay,
Yes.
is it clear for everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So here, so that is the point, one point which you have to note it. Like there will be one question from interviewer that is it possible for me to create the production order for raw material for ROH? Is it possible for me to create a production order for raw material means? Answer is yes, sir, for this, but I will tell the explanation afterwards so that it will be very clear. Now I will tell, it won't be clear, sir. Yes, sir, you can create a production order for your raw material, but this question won't make sense. What is the point of creating a production order for the raw material first? He may tell that no, like there is a requirement like that, so client is expecting to create the production order for the raw material. Just you confirm or you let me know whether it is possible or not from the standard SAP side to create the production order. If it is yes, what type of setting is required to create the production order for the raw material? So that is the question, next question which he is going to ask. Now, so raw material completed, sir. Now coming to the halb, nothing but your semi-finished material and the FET finished material, sir. So if you take these two, like you required work scheduling view. So a small notable point. Work scheduling view is required to make work scheduling view is required in case if you are manufacturing, the hall bar FET within the company premises. So guys, I think now you can guess the answer for this. You can guess the answer. No? Sir, observe very clearly. For halb and fart, what I'm doing, I'm making within my company premises, correct? Telugulo cheppala?
No, it's
Okay,
fine,
sir,
sir.
right, it's correct on.
Sir?
It's fine, sir.
Yeah.
Fine,
So
no.
your work scheduling is a mandatory one in case if you are manufacturing your products within the company premises. From the selection perspective, from the view selection perspective, if you are creating a raw material, which view is missing? From the selection perspective,
Work scheduling, work
Work
scheduling.
exactly. So in order to create a production order for the products which you are making within your company premises, I'm telling that work scheduling view is required. So here answer will be yes, you can create the production order if work scheduling view is available to your raw material, correct?
Yes.
If work scheduling is available for the ROH material type, if raw material is available, if work scheduling is available. So from this point you can conclude one thing, sir. What is that?
Without work scheduling,
Yes, exactly. It's not
without-
possible to create the production order without work scheduling view, sir. It's not possible to create the production order without work scheduling view. If you want means, I'm giving one case, sir. case 1. Already people have created the finished material with the work scheduling view. Create the FET material and BOM and routing as well, sir. So create the BOM, routing and everything. Try to create the production order without work scheduling view, sir. So create the FET material without work scheduling view, sir. Your finished material only. BOM and routing normal, sir. Create the production order through CO01, nothing but interactively, and find out the difference, sir. What error message you are getting. Case 2, sir, already you have executed, but for your understanding purpose I am writing. Create the material, everything, and find out the difference, what error message you are getting. So create the FET material with work scheduling view. Routing, create the production order CO01 and observe the difference, sir. Tell me, not right, not now. After completion of your class, try to execute these two cases, sir. Sir, are you clear with the case 1 and case 2? If not, tell me, I'll explain it again, sir. Sir, this is your one of the important interview question, and the same time one of the point which you have to observe from your practical scenarios, sir. It's considered as an assignment part. Don't come to the class before without completing it. Okay, don't come to the class without completing it. And at the same time you have to execute your cycle, sir. Like after, like I have executed only once, it's enough means no, you have to execute it daily. You have to get the perfection. You should not see the notes, running notes or video. You have to execute on your own without seeing that type of perfection. You have to get it. Okay, like you have to come to like within 5 minutes or 4 minutes you have to close the step 1 to step 8, complete your step 9. That much fastness you have to develop. So here we are discussing about the material master with work scheduling view and without work scheduling view. So, and few material types have given technical names and the functional names as well. So today you go back to your homes or your respective rooms and then execute these two, and then execute your common scenario as well, SFC cycle without planning. Try to get some good hands-on experience and come back to me with the difference, sir. In case if you have done it, just post it in the WhatsApp. Keep a separate running notes or an interview notes to note down this type of points. Wherever I'm highlighting it is an interview question, try to note down those questions in your separate notebook, sir. It will be very easy when you are preparing for your interview. Okay, guys, tell yes or no or something.
Yeah,
Right,
yes,
right,
sir.
right.
Yes, sir.
Like, see, I'm not
Sir,
keeping
one request, sir.
yes,
Sir,
yes, sir.
one request. So instead of seeing the video every time,
Mhm.
maybe is it possible you can also convert this as PDF and also, since both we'll have. So whichever is, no, if it is possible to you, because
Yes, sir, I will try from
PDF
my
is a
end.
little, yeah,
Yes, sir, I think
PDF is
options
a little bit
available.
easier to see than video every time. I think so. What I don't think. What about others? I don't know.
I think it will be available, sir, but
Okay.
it's not that much easy, sir, to understand that complete transcript or like whatever we are speaking. It will be available in the transcript as well for you. So I will see, sir, if it is available in my
Okay.
database, I will give it to you, or else from tomorrow class onwards I will make the live transcript as well and I will give it to you, sir.
Okay. Right.
Okay, sir.
Right. One more request, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, for any one product, for only a finished product, just whatever we have seen till now, step by step, till release of production order and all those things. At least for one product, if we can get the complete set of instructions, how to go about. maybe it will be more useful.
Very
మనం
simple,
చూస్తాం
sir.
కదా ఒక్కొక్క
Yeah.
అదే అంటే కొన్ని మిస్ అయినాను రాసుకున్నాను కానీ ఇందాక ప్రొడక్షన్ ఆర్డర్ దగ్గర స్టక్ అయిపోయినాం కదా నేను స్టక్ అయినా అట్లా
Very
కొన్ని
simple, sir.
ఫైనల్
Yeah. I have given a step-by-step process for your SFC without planning. Na? Just keep take printout of this 10 points. If you have patience, write down it, sir, as well. Like you will remember.
ఐ రిటర్న్ అది రాసుకున్నాను ఈ మధ్యలో కూడా కొంచెం కన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఆ మధ్యలో కొన్ని పాయింట్స్ లేవు కదా టోల్డ్ మీ నౌ యు హావ్ డన్ ఇట్
No, sir. In your video, there is each and every point, like up to the point 10 I have executed, sir, in the third class video, day 3.
Okay.
So if you go like 1 minute, sir. Sap. Sir, this video, sir, third day video, end-to-end execution, sir. So this video, you can see, sir, like I have shown each and every step, sir. Take some time, sir, like first to go through that video, like wherever the points you are feeling that you are very clear with that particular step, go ahead like with the forwarding of 15 seconds or 20 seconds. Wherever you are lagging, stop it there and try to execute that step in your system parallelly, sir. That is the best practice where most of the students will follow, so that you will overcome your weak areas.
Yes. Okay, I'll try it.
Okay. Guys, still anyone facing the issue in executing an end-to-end scenario? Thing is that I'm expecting a perfect cycle from your end in end-to-end scenario under the SFC processor. Like how to do it without seeing the video and without seeing the running notes which I have given, so that I can add new concepts and new functionalities where it is going to make impact in these 8 steps, sir, in these 10 steps. Okay, so take 2 to 3 days time, don't waste, keep on practicing. Like initially when you are learning the cycle, what will happen? You won't get perfection, like you won't get balance, either you go at right side or left side, but after keep on practicing, what you will do, you will get perfection. Similarly, at starting position, it may be some like what I can say, with disturbance, or like you won't get interest as well. Why? Because every time you want to see. So select any one product, like create only one finished material and lower level one raw material enough, guys. Don't create more materials and try to create the bomb routing. Work center not required, one work center enough. You can use the same work center, try to add the stock, execute the cycle in a normal way. After that we will do the experiment, like if I'm going to create the production order in a different way, what is the, without releasing the order, what I'm going to do, so that you can observe, sir. So how much time you people require? Honestly, I'm asking. Why? Because everyone has to be perfect here, guys.
Yeah.
How much time required? Tomorrow enough or day after tomorrow?
To create a bomb and routing.
No. End-to-end cycle. From material master creation to doing of the goods receipt with respect to your production order.
Production order.
Up to the production order, doing of the goods receipt.
Then I need to, I think, first I will complete the previous 3 classes. Then I will do.
Who is this? Praneeth?
Prashant.
Okay. Prashant.
Because I know about routing and work center creation, viewing, and all those things. But previous this, we go, on the production
go
order.
through only the step class 3 video. It's enough. So by tomorrow you can complete it at least 2 to 3 times or 4 times from your end. 1.5 hour.
Yes, sir.
1.5 hour time, sir. Chakradhar, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just
no till actually till here we have done, so no problem. As one of the friends told, routing no problem. Then MD0 for near production order only I got stuck. But today I got some idea from your side, from your end. I'll try that also.
Sure, sir. Like if you have any doubts also, I told you that already.
Yeah.
For each and every one, you can ping me in WhatsApp. Like I'll give response very quickly.
Okay.
Yeah. Sushant, I have rearranged your password.
Yeah, yes, sir, yes.
Yeah, so just
Working.
yeah,
Yeah.
like don't enter the password more than twice, sir. So try to see and enter the password, or else like it will get blocked again. We have to wait for the server guy to reset it.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So guys,
Yeah.
today's task is, are you clear with the today's task? You
Yeah,
have to
yes.
execute your end-to-end cycle. At the same time, create one raw material without work scheduling you, and set up bomb routing for that, and try to create the production order, and create another raw material with work scheduling you, set up the bomb and routing, observe the production order creation. So note down these 2 points in a separate notebook, sir. Note down these 2 points. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah, perfect. So if you people don't have the doubts, we'll disconnect for today. Tomorrow at the 7:30 we'll connect, and we'll discuss few more points on the material master. Okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sir, what about list of contents?
Honestly, Sushant, like not yet prepared. I'll do it.
Okay, okay.
Okay, I'll prepare
Okay.
and I will give it to
So,
you.
sir, one more, sir. Before we get the video, can you just give the case one and case two in our WhatsApp so that we can try? The video got out on the time.
Okay, sir. Just now itself I'll do it.
Or just you can show that one screen. I will write it down.
Already, I think I'm sharing my screen, if I'm not wrong.
ఉంది కానీ అది ఆ స్క్రీన్ రాలేదు మీరు రాశారు కదా కేసు ఉన్న డాక్యుమెంట్
Okay, now 1
Yeah.
minute, sir. Just I'm taking up the copy.
అయ్యా ఎస్ సార్ గివ్ మీ 1 minute టైం సార్
1 minute, sir. I'm pasting it for everyone.
ఓకే
Next, for Sushant. For Sanjeev. Chakrapani. Sir, I think for all people I have posted it. Anyone missing? Who is this?
Pressure.
Prashant. Done. Okay. Any doubts?
రైట్ సార్ బిజీ
Okay, sir. So don't miss this one, case 1 and case 2. And again, I'm telling one more time, keep a separate notebook, sir, for highlighting the interview questions. Okay. At the end, I will give, but it's better from your end as well to cover the questions on daily basis, so that at the end of our course, there won't be much syllabus from your end to spend that time, sir. Okay.
రైట్ సార్
Yeah.
గుడ్ నైట్ సార్ గుడ్ నైట్
Good night.
Good night, all. Thank you. Bye.